I have my Cloudflare tunnel going, so I actually have this domain name pointed to my local Django project, and then I get this error of invalid HTTP host header. You need to add it to allowed hosts. Now, you might already be familiar with this process, so all you need to do is jump into settings.py and then go in here and add in your allowed host. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and do hungrypie.com, and if I do a .hungrypie, it actually gets all subdomains as well. So if I refresh in here now, I get this ability. But of course, one of the things that you might come to find is if you were to try to run something, you'll get this CSRF verification fail. This is, of course, submitting a form of some kind. So we need to add one other thing as far as CSRF trusted origins. So inside of allowed hosts, what we want to add in is the CSRF trusted origins, just like that. Now, one of the things you probably don't want to do is just iterate through the allowed hosts. I would say you want to declare these specifically. Otherwise, you might run into some errors or use cases where you are having an allowed host but not a trusted origin. That does happen, so just be aware of that. So once you do change it and you now submit any sort of form, that CSRF warning should go away. But of course, this is still not working in terms of background processes, so we still need to implement that. But at this point, we now have our Django project configured for this custom domain. This also works on production, so this is production-like right here.